Everyone, hope you're all doing very well. It's another little video on Excel. I haven't done one for a few years, but I've got some time on my hands, so I thought I might as well do one. I'm going to show you how to create an invoice list, which from any line in the invoice list, you can actually create an invoice like this. This is just a mock. This is, don't worry about it. You can have any logo you like there. You can have anything you want written down there. It's just something I've made up to show you for the video purposes. Yeah. So, right, we'll get straight into it. So here's an invoice list. Okay. So everything goes across the row from left to right, starting with, is it settled or not? That doesn't really matter. But what I'm going to show you is everything you see on here, all that detail there, all them and all them there are coming from here. As in, if I click on that, you can see it's coming from invoice list, which is that, cell D2. So Portland Industrials, cell D2. So it's coming from cell D2. There you go. So we're in 2. D2, Portland Industrials, yeah? So if we go to E2, 36 Maybank Road. So it's E2, 36 Maybank Road. I think you get the drift, yeah? So what's good about this is, so how can I explain to you? So let's see, this is an invoice I've created earlier. So what you got is here, the invoice number, the date you created it, the name, the address, blah, blah, blah. That's pretty simple. Email, which is relatively handy to have on an invoice. Where they live, the reference of the job. Is it 20%? Is it 0 rated? Or is it 5% VAT? Yeah. So there's your total. That's your VAT, and that's your total including VAT. Now that calculates itself. So if I put £50 in there, enter, it's £10 VAT and 60. Yeah, I'll take it back to 100, which gives you 20 and 120. Then down here you'll be writing 36 scaffold planks or whatever you sold them. Another line you've sold them. As you can see, these come beside each other, going from left to right, to right, to right, to right, to right. But on the invoice, they'll be beneath each other, reading from there. Yeah, it's quite handy. So write whatever you want in there, and then that creates you an invoice here with the details there as well. Yeah. So then all you would do is Control P. And you would press print, and that would print off for you. Or if you wanted to email it to them, you would go to print to PDF. That would save it as a PDF file somewhere on your phone. On your computer. Then you could send that as an email to them, which is what I would usually do. Yeah. Now, okay, you're thinking, what about my next one? Okay, all you've got to do now for your next invoice is this. Highlight everything, press Control P, it's duplicated there. All you want to change now is that to 3. 8, whatever date you want. I don't know if you know, but if it's today's date, you can Control : it'll put the date in. Okay, change the name to Hugh. Oops, I'm on caps. Hugh Jones, and he's in 69 Apple Street, Glasgow. Yeah, okay, no postcode for this one for some reason, no phone number. Email, we'll just call him whatever, we'll call him hello, it doesn't really matter. Just to show you, the reference of this is Costa Shop. Okay, Costa Shop. Again, well, this time, this one is, it's a new build, so it's only 5% VAT, yeah? Okay, so this time you'll see that £100 only puts a fiver on top. It didn't cost £100, it was actually £2,569. It's 128 VAT at 5% equals 2006, blah, blah, blah. It had 2 times 6 foot ladders and 38 man hours. 5. I don't know if that's one word, wheelbarrow. I don't really care. Road, yeah, whatever. Okay, so when you go back there, you'll see it's still the old invoice, invoice number 2. We want invoice number 3. So what we've got to do basically is go there, click on the first one there, and you'll see it's coming from 2. That's also coming from 2. Okay, it's E2, and that's coming from F2, G2. They're all coming from 2. And so are these coming from 2. And so is the price coming from 2. Okay, so all we need to do, highlight that, down to there, go back to the top, click, hold in Control and go click, 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 go Control H, change 2 to 3, replace all, press OK, and there you go. We now have an invoice coming from the second line. And if you wanted to do another invoice, you just do the same again, Control D, and change it to full, blah, 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 blah. That is all you need to do. So, my dogs are barking. Let me put this on pause for a minute. So, okay, the dogs have calmed down a bit. It was the neighbour. Okay, so, yeah, the only thing I'm saying is this is, obviously, I could give you this. I could attach it and let you download it for free, but that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to show you how to create things. Can you leave a comment if you really want to see how this is made, how you can make this? I can show you how it's made. I can actually make another video showing how to do it. And I've got so many other VAT ones and profit and losses. I've got so many things which I've created, and I don't mind showing you how they're done just so you can learn. But it'd be pointless for me just to attach them so you can download them and use them. I will do that if you want, but it's better to know. Once you know how to do a few things, you will create your own and to match your business and do whatever you want, yeah? Okay, so for now, that's it. But listen, please give me a like. Please, can you click the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload more videos? And please, can you follow me? That'll help me be able to make much more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.